Right, here we go. Right, okay, so here we are on Calais, Jose Lorca Garcia. Hola!
Hola!
You alright?
Oh, I am. We've just seen Pete and Tracy.
Pete and Tracy. And there's Pete and Tracy on the Calais Jose Lorca Garcia, just outside, just past Shannon's Bar. And yeah, we're on our way to Torreta 2. This is Torreta 3. So as soon as we cross this road here, in front of us we go to Torreta 2. So actually at this point here, at the end of Lorca Garcia, we could go left and then first right on Avienda Los Nenafares. But we're going to go right here. We're going to turn left down here, down Avienda de los Almendros. Do we wait until this car's gone past? Are we clear?
Clear.
Okay, so we're going to turn left here. So this is Avienda de los Almendros. And there's actually a big estate on our right here. It's a big urbanisation, and that's called, do you know what it's called, that urbanisation?
No, we have looked it up. We do. We have seen it before.
Well, it's named after this road. It's called Torre Almendros.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. And it's quite big. It's got a big pool and a bar. We've never been in because it's gated.
It does look nice though.
Yeah, it does
The
look
apartments
nice.
look nice.
I think it's a mixture of all sorts actually. I think there's some villas and there's some apartments and some quads and all sorts in there, and it is gated, so that's the reason we've never been in. In fact, I'm not sure whether the bar in the middle of it is open to the public. I don't think it is. I think it's just for residents only. Anyway, this is Avienda de los Almendros, and this is where our destination is, just on the left. There's a bar there, Sophia's Bar, which used to be a fish and chip shop. It used to be Casada, didn't it?
When we moved here, it used to be Casada fish and chip shop.
And it's changed hands a few times. And unfortunately it's still closed. We've seen it in a few different guises, haven't we? One day, somebody might take it on, just like they have done IZZY'S Bar.
Yeah.
Hola, and welcome to the channel, Between the Legs, with Mike and Yvonne.
And we're here to visit the recently reopened IZZY'S Bar.
And tonight, booked for our entertainment, we've got Bard from Norway. It's going to be a great night. Country and western guitar vocalist. Now this bar was very popular in 2016, 2017 when we first came, when we bought our property in Altos del Limonar. It was a great place, it's lovely outside, it's got a great seating area, great entertainment in those days, but it's sadly been closed.
It's been closed for a few years.
Yeah, what, 3 years or so?
6.
6 years, wow, that was a long time. In the good old days it was fantastic, everybody used to come down, it was certainly a meeting point. And I'm sure it could be again, you know.
I'm sure it will be.
It's been taken over by Terry and Paula, and we've got them here with us now. And hello, Terry.
Hello.
How's it going?
It's going okay.
Yeah, great. Slowly building up.
Slowly. We're getting more and more custom daily, so.
Yeah. So people, the word's getting out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when did you take over exactly?
We opened on the 3rd of this month.
On the 3rd of the month.
So we're only talking 2 weeks yesterday.
Yeah, so it's early days, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's very early.
Yeah, and I mean, it's not a bad, you've got a few people in already. But the entertainment's good tonight.
Very.
Yeah.
Bad.
We came again, like we say, we came last Thursday and we saw Bard. I thought he was great,
It was
actually.
very good.
Great voice. Lovely baritone,
Yeah.
country and western singer. If you like country and western, come over and see him. Is he going to be every Thursday?
Up to now, yeah, until we get established.
Okay.
And then it might move to Saturday. We'll just see how it goes.
Right, yeah,
You
yeah.
know, mix it up a bit.
Yeah, you've got to time it just right, haven't you? So, are you doing food?
We are.
Yeah, what sort of?
At the moment, it's basic. So you've got your burgers, chicken burgers, beef burgers. You've got chicken breast chips. You've got salad. You've got sausage and mash.
Yeah.
Traditional English food.
Yeah, great stuff. Just out up our street, that, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you do breakfast?
Full English.
Yeah.
Mushrooms included.
Oh, excellent.
Great stuff, yeah. Any plans for the future? How do you see it going? You know, what you're going to do? Maybe something different, or?
Yeah, I want to start. You know yourself, bingo's very popular around here. So
Yeah.
you've got to start maybe some musical bingo
Right.
during a quiz.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you start the quiz,
Yeah.
stop half hour, musical bingo, carry on
Yeah.
with the quiz.
Sounds great.
You
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
So there is plans to do it, and I want some different music.
Yeah.
And at the moment, because we've just opened, it's hard to get who you want.
Yeah.
Everyone's booked or pre-booked,
Right.
so we're getting what we can.
Yeah.
Like Bard, we was lucky. He got a cancellation last week,
Right.
so we was lucky to get him.
Yeah.
Now we've managed to get him for as long as we want.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yeah. A lot of the acts seem to do the rounds, don't they? The same place each week.
Yeah, it's very rare. That's what I say. It's very rare you get one that's free. And because we're only 2 weeks in, it was who can we get? Who can we get? Who can
Yeah.
we get?
Yeah.
Nice pint as well, by the way.
Thank
I
you.
like the way the frost is around the bottom of the
Yeah.
glass. You said something about your short.
It is. It's. I still say it's the lines. The shorter the lines, the better the pint.
Yeah.
You have long lines, everything sticks to the lines.
Right. I've got long lines. I'm getting old, you see.
What are your hours of opening?
Oh yeah, that's important.
We open at 9 till late, so
Right.
it depends. It depends on who's in.
Yeah.
It could be 2 o'clock. We've left it at 3:30. You know, the opening night was absolutely mad, so it was 3:30 before we got home.
Really? Yeah.
So it varies, but it depends on people.
You've got a Facebook page, haven't you? And we noticed that you got Nicky Knock karaoke at some point coming and
Yes, she's normally a Sunday. She can't do Sunday. She's doing Saturday night
Yeah.
at 8 o'clock,
right.
and that's a pretty good following as well.
Yeah. And KCD, an Irish duo, coming.
They're on the 25th of May. They are an amazing band,
Okay. Yeah.
really good.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, we won't be able to see them, will we?
We got the
'Cause we'll-
24th.
We'll be at home in the UK.
Yeah, that's it. We'll be done then.
That's going to be a really good night.
Yeah, yeah. We'll be back soon anyway. We'll come back,
Yeah.
I'm sure.
I'm sure we'll see again. And Damien Kenny, is that another one that you've...
He's good. He's a keyboard vocalist.
Yeah.
He's in tomorrow night.
Well, good luck, Terry and Paula. She's over there. She's hiding. She's keeping out of the way. Yeah, we understand. But yeah, good luck with it. I hope it goes really well.
Thank you.
And, you can count on our custom.
Good.
Yeah, and we'll send anybody over.
Yeah, we'll send people over. And hopefully, you'll come and have a look and try it out. So it's on Avienda de las...
De los... Avienda de
It's on
los Almendros.
God, you say it.
Avienda de los Almendros.
Hey!
Don't be cruel, you are less free. Don't be cruel, you are less free. I don't wanna go out there, baby, it's just you I'm feeling.
What a great night we've had tonight, and it's been fantastic.
It's been great.
Have you enjoyed the
I
entertainment?
have, yeah,
Have you?
it's been really good.
Bad. What a great country and western singer. You can hear him in the back there. He's just doing his last set.
I think there's going to be many more great nights here.
There's going to be many more great nights here.
Yeah.
We've had a few pints tonight, haven't we?
Yeah?
I think we'll be pushing them.
Pushing what?
We're
What,
pushing
the
them.
pints?
Well, we're pushing the pints. We're pushing the bikes.
All right, yeah.
We're pushing the bikes.
Pushing the bikes home tonight.
The good thing is, we're only about, what would you say from here? A few hundred yards. A few hundred yards we're from here.
Yeah, quite local, yeah.
Right. On that note, I think it's time to wrap the video up. Is
Yeah?
it? So it's
So
a
it's a
thumbs
thumbs
up
up.
if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1.
one.
Bing!
Adios.
Adios.